How are you, everybody?
Fine, sir.
Today, as you know, today we have assembled here to celebrate 7, 8, 78th Independence Day. As you know, India, that is Bharat, once it was under the control of Britishers, and you know that during that time the citizens of India did not have any rights regarding speech. Different rights were being exploited by the Britishers. As you know, since 100 years we were acted as slaves under the tyrannical administration of Britishers. In order to be free from the foreign rules, there started a great war that is called Indian War of Independence. As you know, the eminent leaders of our country like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, so many leaders. They fought against the British rule in order to bring freedom to the arts, I mean to India. So during this struggle, most of the brave hearts, brave soldiers lost their life. In order to remember their dedication to our country, this day we remember the great souls. You know that among the greatest leaders of India, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was telling that, give me blood, I will give you freedom. Yes or no? Simultaneously, Mahatma Gandhi, who fought against the Britishers, he told, do or die, do or die. Similarly, Subhash Bose gave a slogan, Jai Hind. You know, throughout the world, the countries who have gained, who have got freedom with bloodshed, but India, that is only one country in the world who got freedom without any violence. You know, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who used a new weapon that is called non-violence. By non-violence, he got freedom to our country. Now, India is just like a free bird. There is no one to control over, to exploit, to squeeze the administration. So. That's why now we feel that we feel proud that we are Indians. The India whom we call Soneka Chidiya. We call it is because India is rich in everything. In spite of diversity, that is unity. You know that India is rich in culture. There is no country in the world whose culture is so much rich as India is. That's why every child, every student must feel that we belong to the country that is called India. Understand? And at last, whenever we got our freedom by a long struggle in 1947, there is a new constitution framed, and after 11 months and 6 days, this constitution came to effect, and we people ruled ourselves and became the free man, free individual in a free country. That's why today we must remember, we must pay tribute to the great soul who were fought against the Britishers and brought a freedom to us. That's why every citizen's duty is to pay tribute in this auspicious day to the great soul who have departed from us and make us free from tyrannical administration of Britishers. And my dear children, today I will have to tell you regarding our national flag. You see our tricolor national flag? It is in how many colors? Tricolors, three colors. On the top of the flag, we see the saffron color. Saffron color represents the strength, the quality of our country. In middle, we have white color. White color represents peace and what is that? Peace. It represents the peace of our country. And along with you find a 24-wheel. Have you seen? This is called what we call Ashok Chakra. And below it we have green color. Green color represents the fertility of our country that expresses. Do you know who framed this? Venkaya. I mean, Venkaya sir was framed this national flag. That's why today our duty must be to salute our national flag because it represents the whole India's quality and also the nobility of our country. That's why today I want to say, my dear children, that after a long struggle we have got our freedom. That's why we must, every child, every citizen of our country should be like that. No outsiders, no other countries to enter in our country. Not the Pakistan, not the China. No one should be allowed to enter in our country to make our country this independence country. That's why once again I want to say that you children, you should bring the spirit of patriotism. Bring the spirit of patriotism at your heart and always love your country, love the national flag, and love the people who are there. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.